My name is Cameron Brown. I'm the owner of Stark Brothers Nurseries and Orchards, and I am sitting in our peach orchard over in Pike County, Illinois. Stark Brothers is a fruit-bearing plant company, so if it produces fruit, we very likely propagate that, grow it, and then eventually bring it to market. I've been with Stark Brothers a quarter of a century now. I am not James Stark, the original guy, but I am somebody with a great love for the raising of fruit-bearing plants. The history of Stark Brothers was always a small business family-owned company. And about 25 years ago, the owner at that time had some difficulties, and we came in and bought the company because we really wanted to continue and keep that legacy going because it had such a great history of bringing plants to life. I think many people know the Golden Delicious, the Red Delicious were all early products that were brought to market for Stark Brothers. But the idea is to keep this legacy going. Stark Brothers is a company that most of us know is well over 200 years old. And it was developed on the basis that they were bringing new cultivars from the east to the Midwest and all through the United States, and ultimately to fruit growers. And I'm very happy to have participated in that growth. I truly appreciate your purchases from Stark Brothers, and will always hold you close to our heart here, if you will. So thank you again.